Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reset service light on Volvo C30, only way. Turn ignition to position Roman 2 without starting the engine. Press and hold the trip reset button until service message appears, release and press again, then hold to confirm reset and wait for the light to clear. Repeat the sequence if needed and always check the maintenance log after resetting to ensure accuracy. First, sit in the driver's seat and ensure doors are closed. Turn ignition to position Roman 2, but do not start the engine. Locate the trip reset button on the instrument cluster, press and hold until a service message appears. Release briefly, then press and hold the button again until the display confirms the reset. Wait patiently for the light to clear and verify by cycling ignition off and on. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future guides. Quick recommendation. I use the Owala water bottle on long drives, and when I'm under the hood, it keeps me hydrated and fits cup holders nicely. It's durable, leak-resistant, and a small comfort during maintenance sessions. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If the reset fails, don't panic. Try the exact button sequence again with firm presses and correct timing. Verify the battery is healthy and the instrument cluster powers normally, and inspect related fuses if the display is blank. If the service light reappears right away, that indicates a real maintenance need, so schedule a shop visit to diagnose any underlying issues to keep your Volvo C30 running reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.